Not everyone leaves the ground. Not everyone deserves the sky.
Ourselves loose from the safety below. Flesh still warm from the grip of the ground. Comfort lies with its mouth full of promises. We answer with speed and sound. The air up here strips thoughts of bone. Burns doubt out of the vein. Every climb cuts the weak from the line. Every second sharpens the sane. This height doesn't crown you, it tests it, doesn't care what you believe. You're not chosen, you're filtered by what you can hold and what you bleed. Survival of the fittest. Birds of prey in open sky. Only the steady stay alive. The rest learn how to die. No mercy, no safe way. Just hunger and decay. Cut the weight or feed the gray. This is love for birds of prey. Hands stop shaking once it hurts enough. Pain's cleaner than doubt or prayer. The world below curls up and shrinks when distance drowns out care. You feel godlike for half a breath, then small as a crushed idea. Every second balanced on a knife between control and disappear. Mercy weighs too much to carry. Hesitation splits the spine. Up here instinct eats intention, and only the churn survive. Survival of the fittest. Birds of prey in open sky. Only the steady stay aloft. The rest learn how to die. No mercy, no safe way. Just hunger and decay. Cut the weight or feed the gray. This is lily for birds of prey. For birds of prey. Too slow, you're gone. Too soft, you break. Too loud, you panic. Too proud, you shake. This isn't flight, it's controlled violence. The sky isn't empty, it's selective. There's a moment where fear shuts up, where everything finally aligns. That's not peace, that's survival. Record